Alright guys, we're back. It's been about a year, in fact it's definitely been about a year. There is one very good reason why it's taken us so long to get back. And that reason is... it's a bit embarrassing. Carla, why is it taking us so long?
What?
Why is it taking us so long to get back?
I can't hear you.
Right, honestly, why is it taking us so long to get back to this journey?
I know, you heard a little something about me, right? People love to talk, everybody wanna doubt me, right?
Hello cheeky boy. Yeah, so the van's not looking too bad since we were last here. We've got it upholstered, which looks great. Can't remember whether or not we filmed this, but anyway, you'll probably have seen all the footage from last year mixed in with this video, because we're not very organised. How is Theo? Have you enjoyed your first trip in the van?
Yes.
Yeah? Are you asking them to give it a like and a subscribe? Is that what you're asking them to do? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Good boy. Hello everybody, welcome back. We're out in the van for the first time in over a year with little baby Theo. We're just heading towards Grassington and Linton Falls. So this video is going to be a bit of a mishmash of footage because we don't have enough for a full episode and we didn't quite finish the run of videos from last year, so I'll probably mix in a bit of the footage from last year, so we'll probably put that in next and then we'll come back to Linton Falls and Grassington soon. So yeah, back to last year. Yeah, so that was Arbor Falls, or Aber Falls, no idea how to pronounce it. But now we're just on our way to Anglesey, which is where we're going to spend a couple of nights at a pub. My kind of place. So yeah,
Not at the pub, in the car park.
Yeah, it's a campsite that is on a pub. So, not on a pub, on pub grounds. It's basically the pub on the campsite.
Yes, we have like a little pitch.
Yeah, so we're definitely going to go there for a drink tonight. And yeah, we've got a pitch with electric, so we'll see what it's like. Same price as the other place. The other place was £30 a night, this is also £30 a night, including electric.
No, it's not. It's 52 for 2 nights.
Oh, is it cheaper?
Yeah.
Alright, 26 a night then.
Come on, you're a Yorkshireman, you should know.
Well, I should know, yeah. When I'm saving money, I should know. Also, we paid it forward, guys. Right, you should always do this. Whenever you go anywhere where you've got to prepay for parking, if you've got any time left, like we paid £5 to park at Aber Falls, and it was for the entire day. You didn't have a time slot, you just had to pay £5, that was it. So you get a ticket. So then when you're leaving, you're obviously not going to spend the entire day there. If someone else turns up, give them your ticket. And then they don't have to pay.
Good deed for the day.
Yeah. So I feel good now. See, we're not a tight-ass Yorkshireman. Hello guys and welcome to sunny Wales. Now that we've finished the van, well, almost finished the van, thought we'd give you a tour of what it looks like. So, that's it. No, I'm joking. Right, what we've got here, first thing we'll go into, this is the Dometic fridge, 12-volt fridge, quite a big one, loads of space. Works perfectly. We have a drawer, a very functioning drawer that we close like that when we're driving so it doesn't open.
Temporarily.
Temporarily, yeah.
We are going to get the push locks eventually.
Right, first thing I'm going to do so I can stand up is I'm going to put the pop top up. This is always a bit tricky. Right. Right, I can stand up now. What's the ISO on? It's quite dark in here. How much?
3,200.
Is that an f2.8?
What?
Is that an f2.8?
Yeah.
Does it look okay? Right, so the first thing you'll notice is we don't have handles on anything yet because I haven't figured that out yet. But they do have magnets, so they do lock. So in here, just one shelf, load of crap. That's where we're keeping all our food. Then another cupboard here. Again, just random bits of stuff. And then what we have is the U-shaped design with cupboard doors underneath. I don't know if you can see, but cupboard doors underneath each bit so we can access that all the way around. Then I'll try demonstrate how we make this go from U-shape to the parallel. So basically these would come off.
We will get them covered eventually.
Yeah, we will get these covered. They're just blankets at the moment. They come out, and then this slides up, and that slides up. Slots in there, slots in there. That opens it up. Allows us to have this like dual purpose. If we want to bring bikes in, we can do. But I won't show you that now because we've got all our stuff in there, so it means I have to take everything out. So I'll show you that on a different time. But I can demonstrate how to make it into a bed. First thing, we lift this side. That slides out. Next in there like that. And then get these two. They go in there like that, so if we do want to have a bit more of a snug, we can do. Still have full access to the cupboards there. So then when we go into bed, Carla just goes back outside. Now it's not a flawless design yet. I've not finished it, but this essentially just goes there. I will figure out something better, but for now it just goes like that. So that bridges the gap, and then that's it, full bed. So that is the tour of how that works. We've got the electrics in a hidden compartment down the back. That's for all the 12 volt stuff. And then we've got all the chargers and stuff underneath the driver's seat, which you've probably seen in different videos. And then at the front we've obviously got the power supply in from when we were at a campsite. So yeah, that's it. All our hard work has definitely paid off, I think.
Where are we on our way to?
Well, we can tell we're in Wales because we're on our way to Holyhead in Anglesey, and yeah.
Five hours later.
So hopefully you can hear me because I've hidden away from the wind, but probably not. So yeah, we've just made it to Holy Island, or Holyhead Island, and we're at White Stack. I think it's White Stack. No, I can't remember. Some lighthouse. I'll put it down here. But yeah, look at the weather. It's absolutely incredible. Honestly, I don't know how we got this lucky with the Welsh weather. Ridiculously lucky. Right, what do you think to the hat? Hey, the link in description. Just heading towards South Stack Lighthouse, remember the name now. Hopefully we'll see some puffins. I'm wearing Carla's backpack. She can't carry it any longer, so I'm being a nice gentleman and going against all my street cred. morning,
Take
guys.
the next right onto B5111.
Shh. So now we're on our way to I'm going to just butcher this name.
Continue on B5111 for 2 miles.
Like Towermore Lighthouse, which is like South Anglesey. So yeah, we're going to go and check that out now. And then we're going to make our way up to, what was that, Betws-y-Coed or something?
Betws-y-Coed.
Betws-y-Coed. Before we make our way back home, because that's it. After tonight, we're done. We're going back home tomorrow. So yeah.
Boo, we don't want to go home. One straight down, round and then back. Easy. Oh, the blue one is moderate. And that goes all the way around.
Do the red, the easy. Welcome to Uwin Landwin. I think that's how you pronounce it anyway. Probably one of the nicest beaches I've ever been to in the UK. You can do all sorts of stuff. You can do kayaking, you can do windsurfing, and then we're about to go over to the redundant lighthouse over there that's called Towermore, something like that. Towermore. We don't know. But yeah, how nice is this place? Right, so we're on the top of Towermore, where you can see the whole of Snowdonia. Apparently it's one of the best viewing places in Anglesey to see Snowdonia. And also, I managed to capture a cormorant. I think it's a cormorant. Cormorant, is that right? Yeah? Cormorant,
so.
Big black bird. Anyway, it was on the front of these rocks, so I'll show you that now as well. But yeah, how stunning is this island? It's amazing. There's loads of little coves that you can, like, secluded coves if you wanted to have your own private beach. Love it. And the weather's stayed with us again. Get back.
It's fine.
She's scaring me to death every time. Every time she stands on the bloody edge of every cliff when there's high winds. Drives me mental. One false step. She's not exactly the steadiest of people. She's clumsy as hell. There's a certain type of gate in the UK when you're in the countryside called a kissing gate. Probably not the technical term, but Carla always makes me do it every time. So here we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
You may enter.
That was amazing. Now we're going to go to, where are we going now? Betws-y-Coed.
Betws-y-Coed.
Now we're going to go to Betws-y-Coed. So we'll see you there. Right, once again, I'm going to butcher this name, but I think we're in Betws-y-Coed. We haven't filmed much here because this is like our stop on the way home. And unfortunately, it's amazing and we wish we could stay but tomorrow he's going to chuck it down, so we figured we'll go home tonight rather than stay over.
And it was £42 to stay for the night.
Yeah, it was £42 to stay at a local campsite, which is pathetic. That's ridiculous. So yeah, we're just going to chill here for another hour, maybe didn't drive home. But yeah, I would definitely recommend coming here.
We will be back, it's really pretty.
Yeah, we'll definitely be back. It's a really nice spot. Betws-y-Coed. The pizza also amazing. Right, I think we're going to head back because as you can see behind me, there's a big thick black cloud. And apparently there's like thunderstorms all the way home, so we're just going to head back now. So back to the van. Right, that's it. We're heading home.
Tagging up the coastline, famous in your own mind, leaving like a cool kid, young and stupid, words seem cliche. On the walls that you claim, anybody who's anybody, anyway, I don't care, go ahead and paint it for you. Never thought we could map our way back. Follow the trees until we reach the train tracks. Oh, do it till you know what you have to show isn't just a show of love.
Right, so we just found a little nice shaded spot in Grassington, and I had to go back to the car to go and get all the stuff for Theo. And this family just literally came and stood right next to Carla and pitched up a tent with all their family. And it was a tiny little shaded area that we found for Theo, and yeah, we just came and nicked it. So I'll show you who they are, the culprits. There they are. It's a little shaded spot there underneath that tree. Carla was stood there, and then all of a sudden they just decide to steal the place without even saying that. Just barged out of the way. How rude. Anyway, we've now got a little spot here underneath this tree, which is still pretty shaded. And Theo's just enjoying himself on the mat.
A bit of a slap, that's it.
Is he? You having fun, Theo? Theo, you having fun? Yeah? Hey!
Theo, are you dancing? Are you dancing?
Are you dancing, boy? Are you dancing?
He's a clever boy. Yay, clever boy.
Yay!
Shake hands. Good boy. Clever boy.
Absolute genius, honestly. He's a prodigy. Right guys, so we're back from Grassington and Linton Falls. That's it for this video, to be fair. We haven't really planned much else because we were just testing out the van for the first time in over a year. So I hope you enjoyed that other footage that was earlier on from last year, because we didn't quite finish off the videos from last year. We're definitely aware of that, and that's because we surprisingly got pregnant with this fella. So yeah, we've not been in the van for a long time. Yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, because this fella's going to be in most of these videos now, so it might look a little bit different. And consider subscribing. I can't say that. Consider subscribing, hit the bell, all those nice things that will put a smile on this little boy's face. And we'll see you in the next video, whenever that is. Hopefully soon, because we're going to be on it like a car bonnet this time, or a van bonnet, whichever you want. See ya. Bye.
Do it till you know what you have to show isn't just a show.